Hello guys and welcome back to caferussian.com. So in today's video I'm going to teach you a super useful word in Russian. And this word is проездной. It's a complicated word, but we are going to master it together. First, let's practice to pronounce it. It's spelled проездной, but we don't pronounce d, it is silent. So we say it проездной. It's easy, right? Проездной. Say it a little bit faster. You got it. Проездной means a metro pass. And it's not only for the metro, it's basically for the whole transportation system. And why is it important? Because if you come to the kiosk and ask for like metro card, because you can think like, okay, metro pass, it should be like metro card in Russian. First of all, they might be confused. They might sell you something different than what you actually need. They might give you like a coin, like a token, only for the metro. But it makes sense to buy the metro pass, to use the whole transport in the city. So now, how can we use this word in everyday life? First of all, you need to buy it, right? How can you do it? You can say можно мне проездной на, and then you have the different variants. Можно мне, can I have, проездной, the metro pass, на, for, and then you can say like на день, for a day, на неделю, for a week, на месяц, for a month. And I think this is it. You can't have it for a year. So, how can you say, could I have a metro pass for a week? Можно мне проездной на месяц? And after you said it, you will get what you need. Now, you might want to know how much it is. You can ask, сколько стоит проездной? And here it's a funny thing. In Russian, if you can omit some words because they are redundant, it's understandable. What do you want to say without them? People usually do it. So you can just say сколько проездной. And it is understandable you're asking for the price. But if you want to use the whole version, сколько стоит проездной? Next. Another good type of metro pass. It is not limited by time, but just limited for money you put there. For example, you can buy just the pass and put, let's say, 1,000 rubles on it. And you're not limited by a day or a month, but once you've used all of them, you can put more. And let's say you have this type of card and you've used all money, you want to put some more on it. So you can say, можно положить 1000 на проездной. Можно means can I, положить to put 1000, 1000 на проездной, on the metro pass. So can I put 1000 on the metro pass? And again, because we are super lazy, you can just say можно 1000 на проездной. The next thing, in Russian, we have different types of transport. And you might not know, can you pay with your metro pass on this bus? Or maybe you cannot, or maybe they don't take it here. So you can ask, like, can I pay with the metro pass here? Я могу заплатить проездным. Я могу, can I, заплатить, pay, проездным, with the pass, проездным. And the last sentence for today, maybe you don't know where can you buy the metro pass here. So you can ask, где купить проездной? Где купить проездной? Where to buy the metro pass? Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope it was useful and I hope now you know how to buy the Metro Pass once you are in Russia. And if you are interested in Russian language and looking for a Russian tutor, I have something interesting for you. I teach Russian through a really revolutionary method, where we are going to study grammar and vocabulary through the conversational practice, which means that after every session you are not only going to have some new pieces of information and new words, but a very solid foundation of how to use them correct in Russian. If you are interested in testing this new method, just send me a message. I will leave my email down below in the description box, and I will see you very soon in the next videos. Bye!